Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul from Aliexpress. I went ahead and opened up the package and also the plastic wrapping on each, but basically I ordered some washi tape. I ordered it from Aliexpress and it's a store called Talote Art Store. I'll link it in the description box below. And I paid a total of $6.95, and that was including shipping and tax. The shipping, I think, was like a bit over $1. But basically, I ordered 6 grid washi tapes, and these 2 were given as a gift with the order. I'll go ahead and test these. I'll start with this green one. They rip pretty easily. There's this rose colored one. And this navy one. To be honest, I don't really like the color navy very much, but it came as a pack, so I just dealt with it. And I mean, it looks better in person. I have that a bit slanted. There's this, I don't know what color you would say this, maybe a brown. It's like a brown gray color. And there's this bluish one, bluish green. It's almost like a turquoise color, I think. But it's more on the green side than on the blue side, I think. Oh, that's very lovely. This one is the last one. On images, it looked like it was mustard, but it's looking more of a, I would say, a brown color. It might look different on paper. Yeah, it's looking more yellow on paper, kind of like a mustard color. I'll go ahead and test these gift washi tapes as well. Okay, this green isn't too bad. I was worried it would look too bright. It's still a bit bright for my taste, I think, but it's okay. And this is purple, like a earth tone purple, I think you would call it. A bit muted, I think is the correct wording for it. It's almost like a purple gray. So that's what it looks like. And I got these for, let me fix that. Pretty cheap, I would say. Like I said, it was like almost $7 for everything. That was including shipping and handling. So I'm pretty happy about this.